Me and Donnie go up front or what? Keep him distracted so we have our last guy?
What do you think?
Yeah, if we're gonna do that, I say we jump straight to 8 though, that way we fucking have comms with you.
Let's do it. Alright, guys.
We'll see. Yep. We'll see you over there, buddy. What are you trying to do, Donnie?
Look out this window real quick on the second floor.
Don't go up second floor. It's off limits.
I think they see me already, so.
I see Nolan taking it.
Motherfucker came close.
Damn it. Let's book it down this hallway and get the other two then.
Hit. I'm hitting the back. They got Sonny revived. Dylan, the girl up front, I guess.
Can you tell where? Front of the hallway, right inside.
They're still over here by me.
Me and
they're reloading.
Dylan. He's in the exit in front of the safe room, pretty much. Stairwell.
They're starting to walk back. I'm gonna try to crawl in.
Just went a little further and went up towards the studs.
He's still on the outside. Sonny's over here acting like a douchebag, bro. I'm about to shoot his ass.
They see us, they're about to engage.
Just take out Dylan, bro. Fucking Nolan and the girl will be easy enough. Homie doesn't know when his gun's out of ammo, Nolan, so be careful with him.
Bang! Hit! Sonny's right on the other side. Wait, is that July or Sonny? Who the fuck was in your room? Were you not talking to somebody just now?
talking to me. Revive me then, because I got shot by her. Okay. There's another one popping his head in the fucking hallway.
Thought you saw me. That's why you called me a son of a bitch. Oh damn! I just cut myself. You see my shells over there? My shells?
Yeah, I'll go find her. One intersection. Next set of rooms. Fly right now.
Probably crawling through the bushes here somewhere. They're on a little strip. They're red and black.
Don't let Dylan leave.
Yeah, why? I found it. Yeah.
Just a little one.
Still over here.
Gotcha, bitch! Woo! Got them both. One with each.
Dylan, Sonny, or Dylan, Caitlin, and Nolan are down, bro.
Nolan.
Is Sonny still up?
I think so, yeah.
July.
Yeah, I'm gonna go reload, so.
Fuck no, stay right where you're at, bro. You get to reload when you get revived. I'm sorry, all I can see was your face. Oh, July.
What's up, bro?
Where's Sonny? Because these three are down.
Sonny's right here by me, bro.
Where are
by
you,
the
my
back
friend?
doors. He's literally right next to me. He's watching me.
Where are you?
By the back doors, bro, in the very back.
10-4.
I'm gonna be on the left-hand side of the building,
He's still active?
kind of by the balcony.
He was the decoy.
He's standing here like he's gonna do something. He ain't gonna do shit.
Alright, we're gonna surprise him. He's sitting on the left side of the building on the back side. July's pinned against the back doors and he's down. I don't know how you want to take this, Doc. I don't know how you want to take this. If he has any movement at all, let us know, bro.
He's literally standing right by me, bro. I can't really see into where the building from where I am.
So, give me a yes if you think my plan is good. I'm gonna run around the left side, like towards the golf course side. Send Donnie straight to the middle.
Yeah, definitely. On this, yeah.
Through this.
Definitely on this side.
I'm gonna come over there. On the wall. He said he's got to be pinned up against these back doors. You feel it? Yep, July's down.
Over here, guys! Over here!
What?
He just has a pistol! He's a bitch! I know, bro. Yeah, I believe so. I believe so, bro. Did you guys get all those bitches?
Oh, hit! Hit! It's just you, Donnie boy. I almost fucking had him. I almost got a face shot.
We're both down here, bro. What's his name? Just reloaded. Be careful, Donnie.
Sonny's got eyes on me. I can't really crawl. But I did.
Nothing?
Donnie, if you want to come revive me, come around to the patio on the backside where the hole is.
He's still here with me, guys. What? He's still here with me. What?
Fucking, I'm just gonna commit a fucking war crime.
Sonny's getting pissed. But Donnie, you could probably come revive me.
Definitely, bro, definitely.
Come out again, Donnie, you son of a bitch! I dare you! Come on! Let's go! Don't you fucking move.
Come revive
He's gonna be
me,
out of
bro.
ammo
This
by
is
the
too
time
funny.
he even comes close. I'm moving. I'm moving. He's right by me. I'm gonna trip him.
You ain't told shit.
I'm gonna trip his ass. Hey, bro. Donnie, he's right over here, bro, along this wall. You see my torch tip?
On that back wall, Donnie.
He's right behind me, bro. He's right here. I can literally shoot him in the balls if I wanted to. I can literally do it. He's scared. Oh, he's scared.
Fuck, that was a great shot, bro. I almost had him.
God damn it, Sonny, that was funny, bro. I mean, just like go like this. You're like, oh shit. Fucking hilarious, bro. Almost disappeared on you, bro. You're lucky.
What are you doing, Donnie?
That's a white sheet, bro.
Go out the fucking hole in the... Wait, no, don't go out the hole in the wall.
Fucking don't fuck around!
Friendly fire!
Come back, wait before the hole in the wall, and then come outside.
He's reloading, he's reloading, he's reloading, move! He just got it reloaded.
Fucking don't come over here, man. I'm fucking...
Just heard you going behind me. Figure out a way to get outside and come along that path.
Hi! He's shooting his own teammates now, bro. You guys got him scared as fuck.
One, two, three, four, five.
You're supposed to crawl. Motherfucker! They're not crawling over here! They're walking up straight!
Come this way? That was the way that I fucking got him. Watch out, bro.
I got him fucking with this thing.
That's about where I got shot.
He has no form of communication.
I'm revived. I have Donnie right next to me. We're pretty much right where I was when I got shot. What do you think we should do?
I don't know, they're walking over here to revive.
No, we're not reviving.
You know reviving?
Have ammo in? Have a little bit, but
He's getting pretty low on ammo.
just take it. Take it back.
Right there, Donnie. No, you might have better accuracy. No, he's literally right here, bro. If you trade me spots. I mean, the second you can see, keep looking right, bro. You see what I mean?
Hit!
Did you?
He's hit! Is that good? Yeah!
You just skinned my fucking...